Hello everyone, I am Muskan.
And I am Yashasvi.
We are BBA students at Poddar International College and proud members of Research Club at Poddar.
We are thrilled to share that we have won Science Exhibition Competition by showcasing our 3 live projects: Herbal Soap, Sustainable Diyas and Eco-Friendly Tie-and-Dye Fabric. These projects are collectively developed under Poddar's research cell, inspired by public's growing need for sustainable and eco-conscious solutions.
As BBA students, we understand the importance of merging creativity with practicality, delivering products that not only meet consumer demands but promote sustainable environment. Poddar's encouragement and mentorship have been instrumental in shaping our ideas and helping us present these ideas with confidence.
We are incredibly grateful to our mentors and the institution for providing us such an inspiring platform to explore our potential. Our future goal is to present these projects on an international level and to fulfill public's needs on a larger scale.
We are especially thankful to Poddar International College for having our back since day one. Winning this competition has motivated us to work even harder and aim for greater milestones in the future.
Because at Poddar International College,
we don't just dream, we achieve.
Poddar Group of Institutions